guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you a piece of our new inventory. This is a 2023 MasterCraft NXT 22. You can see we have some beautiful metal flake on the boat in the white. As we step inside, I can take you through some of the features inside of the boat. Let's step inside and take a look. Alright guys, here on the transom of the boat, you guys can see one of our favorite new features for 2023. The swim platform with the submersible swim step is going to make it really easy for everybody getting on and off the boat, and really nice whenever you guys are hanging out and chilling. Alright guys, as we step inside, you can see we've optioned this with the oyster interior. This is our cool feel interior. This is going to stay nice and cool when you guys are out there in the Texas heat. Not going to burn yourself on your legs or anything like that. You can see we do have the Z6 tower on this boat. This one has the MasterCraft clamping board racks, as well as full JL audio throughout the entire boat. This also has a JL audio controller for it and everything, so you can use Bluetooth, USB, whatever you want to do. Have your music while you're out there. As we step forward into the boat, you can see on our dash, we do have the JL audio controller, and then also we have all of our instrumentation, our switches, and our surf system as well. It's going to make it really easy for the captain whenever you guys are out there, as well as your rider. Makes that communication really easy for you guys when you're out there. On this port side, we do have communicating storage throughout, so this is going to be a great place to put your life jackets, your towels, and everything, so you can keep the boat uncluttered and have all that seating open. Finally, as we step into the bow, you can see we have our hybrid pickle fork design. This is going to make it really nice so that you guys can fit 2-3 adults up here whenever you guys are out there on the water. Keep them out of the middle of the boat. Again, this is Tyler Smith here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Come on by. We have great financing options. We have an awesome, massive pro shop that'll be able to outfit you for whatever you need. And we also have a great service department that's highly regarded, so you guys are taken care of while you're out there on the water. This is Tyler Smith here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft.